How to screen record on Windows 11. Firstly, check for any kind of updates that may be available for your Windows. This feature might not be available, so check for updates. Once you make sure that there are no updates available, go back to your desktop. Now on your keyboard, you will see a small print screen option at the top. It might be written as PRT-SCN. Click on that and you can take photos or videos of your screen. Firstly, let's take a screenshot. Click on the camera icon and drag your cursor around, after which it will just save the photo in your gallery. To take a video, select the camera icon and select the part of the screen which you would like to record. Once selected, click on the start option at the top, and just like that your recording will start. Now it is recording, and after you are done, simply click on the delete icon or the red icon. Now because I'm screen recording this part, that's not showing, but you will see a delete icon and a red icon. To save, you need to click on the red icon.